Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the RuneScape board game. First, let's get you set up for adventure. You'll begin by choosing one of 5 distinct adventurer miniatures, like the knight or wizard, to represent your hero. Next, arrange the game board, placing all the region cards, tokens, and your chosen character in their starting positions. Remember, this is a cooperative campaign game designed for 1 to 5 players, so teamwork is key to success. Once setup is complete, you'll embark on your adventure across Gielinor. During your turn, you can move your adventurer up to 1 space, following the paths connecting different regions on the map. Upon entering a new region, you'll draw an exploration card, which might present you with a random event or a skill test. After exploring, you can interact with icons on the region's banner to gather valuable resources or gain experience points for your skills. As you journey, you'll develop your adventurer's abilities. There are 8 different skills to master, and you'll level them up by collecting experience tokens from skill tests and quests. When performing a skill test, you'll roll 1, 2, or 3 10-sided dice, aiming to meet or exceed a target number. Successfully completing these skill tests and campaign quests is crucial, as they drive the main narrative forward and unlock new challenges. Eventually, your adventures will lead you to formidable foes and epic boss battles. These encounters take place on a special 3x3 grid, where initiative cards determine the turn order for both players and the boss. On your turn, you can move 1 space and then use a skill action to inflict damage or manipulate the battlefield. Work together with your team to strategically defeat the campaign boss and claim victory for all of Gielinor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.